is my second video of the day, so serve it up Gary's way. Pop. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a really great and amazing Ulta haul. I have a lot of really cool things here. That is right, you guys. I do have some stuff from Ulta here to haul for you, and I want to show you all the cool things that I did pick up. A lot of the stuff I got today is actually from the drugstore inside of Ulta, which is really great. It's like kicking so much butt right now. Like, I'm genuinely really happy for the drugstore portion of Ulta. I like it. There's a bird. Oh my god, it's literally right on my windowsill. Oh, bye! It was this close to me. It was right on my windowsill. Like, it was on the outside, not on the inside, obviously. And if you're new to the channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on into the haul. And really quickly before I get into this here, a quick little disclaimer I wanted to just say. I say this on all my haul videos. I never do these hauls to be malicious or mean or anything like that. I know that the world is still in a state of kind of chaos right now. I know in America especially, with the amazing movements that are happening right now, and still with the quarantine situation, I know that stuff still has not gone back to normal. I just wanted to let you guys know no part of me is trying to be like, look at the stuff I got, because that's not who I am at all. That's not who I'm ever going to be. I just get the stuff from Ulta because I'm genuinely curious and it's new products, and I love to try them out and show them to you guys, just so if you see what I get and then maybe you like what you see, so you maybe go try it yourself. That's it. With that being said, let's go ahead and start with the first thing. I did get a couple of hair stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those and get them out of the way. So the first things I did pick up are from Bondi Boost here. I actually already have used them. I used them in my hair last night. I don't really have an opinion on them yet because I just used them, but these are the Bondi Boost Dandruff Shampoo. I know, sadly, I do have very dry scalp because I have very dry skin, and I do kind of produce dandruff. I know it can be kind of embarrassing to talk about, but it shouldn't be, because you can't help how your skin is, you can't help how your hair is, but you can do something about it if you want to and kind of help with that. So I did pick up this from Bondi Boost. Again, it is dandruff shampoo. It's free of parabens, sulfate, and silicone, vegan friendly and cruelty free. It's fantastic. Well, that's fantastic, not it, because I don't know yet, but I did use it last night and I'm not seeing any flakes in my hair right now, so that's really good. I usually wash my hair once a week. I know some people are going like, no, I know, but it's because my hair and my skin are so dry, like my scalp is so dry, I don't really produce oil all that much, so I don't find that I have to wash my hair every day or every other day or every 3 or 4 days. I wash my hair about once a week, so I usually within like the 5th day my scalp really starts to get a little flaky, so hopefully we'll see how it works and hopefully it'll kind of keep the flakiness at bay. And I also picked up the HG conditioner. I don't think these are part of the same line, but they are Bondi Boost, and I wanted to try the conditioner as well. I did try it again last night. It wasn't crazy conditioning, but again, it wasn't bad. I actually mixed a little bit with this with my Briogeo honey bear mask. It's the little honey mask that looks like a little bear, and I mixed a little bit with that with this and then used that on my hair, and it did pretty well. So I'll try these out and see what I think, but I got these. I got something from Bumble and Bumble right here. This is a thickening spray. I tend to have, well, not tend to, I do have. I have thinner hair, but I have a lot of it. So I wanted to try this thickening spray. It had really good reviews on the Ulta's website. So this says it preps hair for lush blowouts, and I didn't blow my hair last night. It was 4th of July last night. Happy belated 4th if you celebrate. I forgot to say that. I did spray this in my hair and I didn't blow dry it. I think it may be activated by heat. I'm not entirely sure, but that was entirely my fault. I didn't do it properly. I just sprayed it in my hair and then went to my mom's house for 4th of July. So anyways, next time I'll use it properly, but you're supposed to spray in to damp hair and then blow dry it for like style and lift. So, and it's supposed to make your hair thicker, so that's really cool. So I got that. Last up for hair is I got this Bumble and Bumble Sumo Liquid Wax Plus Finishing Spray. It's like to make your hair, it says it right here, to make it piecey. to make it PC lived-in texture. Basically the reason I got this is because I was watching Kaylee Melissa's channel. If you don't know Kaylee Melissa, she's fantastic hairstylist here on YouTube, and I was watching her channel and she was said that the IGK Down and Out Dirty Texture Spray is going out of business. Or she doesn't know if it is or not, but she doesn't think that IGK is going to be restocking it, or that it's going to be out of production or whatever. So I was really sad about it. I do have one left in here that I haven't used yet, so I'll use it up, and then I was going to try this to see how this worked, because in the video that she did, she used this and she said that it worked pretty well. So I was like,
hey, let's try it out and see what I think.
Because I do freaking love that Down and Out Dirty Texture Spray. I use it on my hair all the time. Okay, here is the first thing that I did get. This is from Milani. This is from their new Fruit Fetish line for summer. It is their Pineapple Papaya Lip Balm. I love lip balms, as you guys know. Anything for my lips I'm obsessed with, and I know that for summertime, so many brands have been doing like a fruit theme. I know Kathleen's brand, Lights Lacquer, did a fruit theme for their summer nail polish collection, and now Milani did. I think e.l.f. may have done one, but this one's really cute, and again, I love lip balm. They were out of a lot of the flavors online, but I did go for the pineapple papaya because that sounds really lovely. So I got that. Also from Milani, I got the Fruit Fetish Make It Last Dragon Fruit and Peach Scented Setting Spray. I have not used this yet. I have no idea what to expect. I might try it out really quick just to see what it's like. I've never tried... Ooh. That smells really good. I've never tried any of the Milani's. I think I actually hauled one time, but the nozzle was broken, so I had to take it back and I never rebought it. I don't know, but this is super cute. I love the little compact bottle. It's very small, but it does smell super good, and the sprayer on it is not too bad. I have had more aggressive sprayers, but this one's pretty good. I'll see how well it works with making my makeup last and everything, so this is super cute. So I got that. I got two things from Beauty Bakerie right here. You guys, I've heard so many things about Beauty Bakerie's liquid matte lipsticks. These are the Lip Whips, and I have heard that these are very nice. I'm actually wearing it right now under some M Cosmetics clear lip gloss, and I'm wearing this shade right here. Look at this packaging. Look how adorable this is. It's the Lip Whip. I got two shades. This one right here is in the shade Gingersnap, and these are matte. If you like the matte lip, then I think that you're going to absolutely love these, but I do like to wear a gloss over these because they are so matte. They're very hard to get off. They even sell like a separate lip whip remover to get it off better. You know it is a matte lipstick and it's not going anywhere if a company sells a separate remover for their lipstick. That's amazing. So if you're looking for a lipstick that's not going to go anywhere, then I'll recommend these because I have used both of them. The other one that I got is this beautiful red, and it's in the shade Bowl of Cherries. I love this one. I actually wore this one just during the week while I was working because I wanted something nice on my lips. I did not put a gloss over it. I just wore it by itself, and it is very matte, but I didn't find that it was like uncomfortably matte or anything. I didn't find that it would make my skin like really dry. My lips. It's different because it is very matte, but it has kind of like a not tacky finish, but it's not crazy drying, to be honest, in my experience anyways. But I love these so far, and I did pick two of these up, and I'm wearing one of them right now, so love these. I got this from Limecrime. This is their Freckle pin. I'm actually wearing it right now, and you guys, I gotta say, I know this is just a haul, but it's a slight little review while I'm here as well. This is in the shade Amber. It's the light freckle shade. They have two. They have this one in a slightly darker shade. I got this one because they were out of the darker shade, so I picked up this one, but I love it. It looks so freaking natural. I think that I would actually opt for this one over the darker shade because I feel like this just looks so natural. This is so easy. This is so easy. Dare I say even easier than the Freck? I don't know, but this is what it looks like right here, and it is literally a marker. But it's not like, look, it's not like a marker. If you just tap, they're very light. It's so crazy light. And they look so natural. They look so real, in my opinion. I think they are so cute. So I'm really enjoying this. I think they do darken a tiny bit over time. I'm very happy with this, and I can't wait to use it more, but picked up the Freckle pen. I got a pair of lashes that's upside down. I almost wore these today, that's why I took them out and that's why they were upside down, but then I decided not to wear them. I don't know. But these are from House of Lashes. These are the Iconic Lights. I have really enjoyed their regular Iconic lashes, but I wanted to try these because I watched Desi Perkins' new video to where she was doing a pregnancy Q&A, but she was also kind of doing her makeup in the process as well. I watched her and she was like, I've been wearing the same pair of Iconic Lights for like the past 2 weeks. And I was like, oh, I haven't tried those yet, so let's see how they work. And they look very, very nice. I love lashes to go out on the side, like out more like that. So super happy with these. I can't wait to try these out. I got this palette from Catrice, again another great drugstore thing. One of the shades did come broken, but that's okay. I did actually use it today for my eyeshadow. Here's what the palette looks like. It is called the Insta Bay eyeshadow palette, and the gold shade right here is the one that came broken, but you can't really tell because I did kind of smush it back in there. But here's what these shades look like. They're very, very pretty, very neutral, very basic shades. I am wearing them again, like I said, today, and I think they worked really nicely. So this one's really good so far. I think, again, drugstore is killing it when it comes to their products. 2 more things here. I got another palette from Color Mom, and this is not new. This is actually a pretty old palette. Well, not pretty old, but it is older. This is their Nude Mood palette, and I thought it was so freaking cute. I actually personally like these palettes more from Colourpop compared to the plastic containers, like the plastic unicartons. I like these cardboard ones more just because it's, you know, less waste. Less waste. This is again the Nude Mood palette, and here is what she looks like. She's beautiful. She really reminds me of the Going Coconuts palette, but a little bit more warm toned than the Coconuts palette, but it's so freaking beautiful. I haven't used a Colourpop palette in quite some time. I use Kathleen's So Jaded palette quite often though, but I mean, like, other than that, I haven't really used a Colourpop palette in a little while. So I really wanted to try this one out. I thought it was really beautiful, so expect a review soon. And then last but certainly not least, I picked up another bottle of the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I actually got mine in the shade Medium 10N this time because I gave myself a spray tan. Well, not really a spray tan, just sunless tanner, you know, like I got the Jergens sunless tanner from Target the other day, and I've been using it and I freaking love it. You can tell my patchy job, but I really freaking love this sunless tanner. I think it works so well. But I did put a little bit on my face, and then I needed another foundation. And I didn't want to go out and get like a foundation because I don't really wear full coverage foundations anymore anyways, but I did want to pick up a Colourpop one because I love the Pretty Fresh regular tinted moisturizer in my normal light shade, but I wanted to get a slightly darker shade for when I have a tan, and I am wearing it right now and I think it looks beautimous. You guys, that has been everything that I got in my haul today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you have tried any of the products that I hauled, or if you are excited to try some stuff, or like if you're going to be getting some of these things that I got as well, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know that. But you guys, that's going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!